Just
What is it? Why are you following me? What?
The thing is, I've been wanting to talk to you for some time.
Talk to me about what? About relationship, I guess.
Yeah, so something like that. You see, I just want you to. I just want you to give me the chance to prove myself to you, and you know.
The last time I checked, you don't have money. I mean, you don't have money to take care of me. And relationship of these days is about money. So how do you intend to do that?
Oga Frank! Oga Frank, don't disappoint me. Why? Why like this?
Don't worry, just go. I'll see your boss much later. We'll have a discussion.
No. You're not coming anywhere. I need to go to this clothes. No. The owner of this clothes is in my shop. The man is in my shop. The owner of this clothes is in my shop. Now with the police. No. I'm going with them.
It's my business partner. Yeah. We're trying to have a tete.
You see that talk?
Hey, what's... Guys, stop this thing. Stop. I'll bring it for you to polish it.
You don't... Guy, hold on.
Wait now.
You don't understand.
That's the thing. He's just trying to... Guy, leave this thing.
Turn your leg.
What is what?
It is what it is.
Am I deaf? Am I blind? Are you this fake?
See, the owner of this one.
I go bring her.
No, the owner of this one will come tomorrow morning.
I go bring her.
See, the owner of this one will come tomorrow morning.
I go bring her.
Don't forget to bring it with this belt too.
Oh, the belt.
Are you serious? So you have nothing? Eh? You're broke. You bought clothes to just impress me? Goodness. You were so shameless. You were shameless.
I'm sorry.
Are you serious? Goodness.
Ha! Well, don't be. Where do I head from here? You see this boy. This gene, if he see and make you know say no be me. You go find me to collect these jeans. Oh wow.
You can't embarrass me with this one. You can't embarrass me with this one. Make you go that kind of this here. Now see. I wish you present yourself, just yourself. Maybe it's what from now. As you just embarrass my girl. Now make this one down. What's the next, my girl?
So now things that happened. So let's keep pressing. I think we say that boy to do the way she carried commerce. She was so embarrassed. I don't even know how one thing starts against.
She not be embarrassed. But then I think I like the spirit. This never die spirit, never give up spirit. It's a very good one. But then this time, make we show these girls in her like this will be. If she go like you like that, she go like you for who you be, not be what you be. Because last you go still cast. The luck when you get now, you say you want to go cast on time. Cheer up, my girl. I cook beans, yeah?
Give me beans, I got you.
Believe my girl.
No,
the Lord foodie. And they come.
You sent for me, sir.
Yes, I did. Fiona.
Sir.
You know you are too beautiful. Please sit.
Sir, I would prefer to stand.
Okay, if you insist. Fiona, I know that what I'm about to tell you might sound weird, but it's just the real fact. You see, Fiona, I like you. I've come to like you a lot. I would like some matured level of intimacy with you. I mean, I would like you to be my babe.
I don't
Even if you have a boyfriend, I don't mind. I make sure he doesn't find out.
So this has nothing to do with my boyfriend. What are you saying? I don't understand it.
I'll send you 250,000 to your account. I mean, use it and buy whatever you like, outfit or something. I mean, we'll see in the evening, right?
No, sir. Thank you.
500. I'll make it 500. Yes.
Sir, please, I am not comfortable with what you're saying.
Come on, Fiona. Are you telling me that all this while you have never realized that I've got my eyes on you? All you need to do is just be free with me, and you have a lot to enjoy, okay?
Sir, please.
Send 500,000 to your account. I'll see you in the evening, please.
Sir, please.
Case closed. Fiona, pretty one. I like my money to talk more than, you know.
I need this money so badly to sort things out. My parents are at home. They also need money to buy drugs and to feed. But if I take this money, it will simply make me look cheap. And he may even think that I'm into hookup. God, what do I do?
keep the money to yourself? Why didn't you show up yesterday? I gave you 500,000, that's $500,000. Only for you to... Wait, is this some kind of OBT? Did you obtain from me by trust?
Francis, I want to discuss one matter with you.
Okay.
You see this your matter with Fiona. I want to tell you, say, for like to me, go for your level, go for your kind of girl. I feel say that girl pass you and you don't go like the outcome.
Right, that big. You know, get any girl I feel be with for this life if not be Fiona.
At the talk now, you the press phone. Baba, free that girl, make you find small girl we go respect you because that girl pass you.
Yeah, I have this question, don't do it.
I don't know this. I'm in find trouble.
Are you trying to outsmart me?
No, sir.
So what do I call this charade of a game? What do I call it? Because I'm not good with games.
It's not a game, sir. Here is the money you transferred to my account yesterday.
What?
Yes, I didn't ask you for money and I don't think I will ever do that. As a lady, it's not in my character to enjoy money that I didn't work for. If you really want to help me, sir, then elevate my position in this company from earning 100K per month to 500K. That's if you really want to be of help to me. Not giving me money and then inviting me to somewhere I do not know and then probably sleep with me. I'm really sorry, sir. Here's the money.
Fiona, what a girl. Fiona's character really needs to be studied.
Why is he not taking his calls? Let me try again. Why? This one, he's not taking my calls. I think he's with a girl. And if he's with a girl, God will punish that girl for me. What nonsense. No, now, Papi shouldn't do this to me.
What again? Did you come back to take the money?
My resignation letter, sir.
What?
Yes.
You want to resign?
Yes.
This is not the best time to resign from your work. With the biting situation of the economy of the country. Come on, I mean...
Let me worry about that. Anyways, nice working with you. Have a nice day.
One too many things at a time. First, not showing up. Second, returning my money. And third, resignation later. Fiona. For what is what, Fiona, I hope you don't go out on the street and see how hard it is there and come begging. Then and only then I will show you, Fiona. Ha!
Don't tell me you have been drinking. You sounded so worried over the phone. What's up? What happened? I have resigned from my place of work.
What?
Like, why? Why? The pressure is too much.
Pressure?
He has been pushing to sleep with me, but I refused. I told him I cannot do it, but he won't listen. The only thing he could do is to make the office hell for me, and at this point, I cannot take it anymore. I can't take it, it's just too much.
Okay, I understand. I really do. But you know getting jobs these days is very hard. Like, do you have any plan B? What do you plan to do?
I don't have any plan. But it's not a problem. I will just go out tomorrow and then look for a job. Moreover, I heard some companies around are looking for new staffs. I will just try my luck.
Let's just hope for the best. I hope you will not regret this decision. I hope.
No. Not at all. I won't regret it. Whatever it says, I already made my decision. And I will stand by it.
Okay. Give me.
I'm not drunk.
I know.
Edna, I am not
Give
drunk.
me. Sit down.
Onyama, don't worry yourself about it. It's not too much judge. Your money is there. Your money does the speaking. Let me call you back, please. Let me call you.
Why haven't you been taking my calls?
I was busy when you called me.
And you are still busy?
Listen, a woman's call does not put money in a man's bank account, except his business. So should I be explaining my life and my movement to you now? What are you? My mother? Are you my mother?
Papi, why are you doing this to me? You hardly take my calls. Even when you do, it's either you tell me you're busy or you're in a meeting. Is this how this relationship is even going to work?
Like I said, I was busy and still I am.
What have I done to you to deserve this? Why are you treating me like I'm a bitch?
I don't like it when someone or people make me repeat myself. Repetition is not in my diary. Before you came in, you saw me on a call, on a business call. Then I was talking millions. Now you're talking, I have not heard anything like million. So please, I have some business associates waiting for me. I'd like to attend to them now.
You're asking me to leave?
Take a walk. You're calling me papi. You're not calling me papi. You're calling my money. You want to carry me wholesale. Boom. Maz. Bunyo ni ife na sambisa na. Unde bulusia Bible. Ndala. What akili obodo onye ala. Next time mga fia ka mbanye ya nse ba gbanye ndoso. Yoko malicha call ego naza ko onye ala bia ko.
This bread 600. This is why I feel cold like this.
Ah, God. You know, see the country. See as you fresh, they price bread.
I bet no they talk that thing. Which one be na fresh are they talk? I think now waiting there.
You know, there this country, I be waiting. Give me money. Ah, you pass am. I know say you pass am. Give me money. Ah, it's be that one.
Like say you know where.
Hey, Ike.
Like say you know where. I
Ah,
pass
well,
it.
oh.
Which kind of country person in this stage? Which kind of country? To drink tea again, now I won't spend 3,000.
You don't see am oh. Ha.
3,000 I go use cook pot of soup.
Why no use am go cook this soup?
Soup now, I'm not. Soup now, even all cross self now like 5,000 before you go feel.
Oh yeah, now the one where you afford, eat am.
Ah. Hey, come, that girl where they come here. Anything we will use my balance, finance something new.
Finance.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How far?
Fine oh.
I want bread.
Which one?
I hope it's fresh.
Fresh, extra.
Good like that.
1.5.
Oh,
Ma
that's-
package am.
Of course, yes.
Don't worry. See that fine brother? You don't pay.
What?
That fine brother, you just pay. Don't worry.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Right, thank you.
Come another day oh.
Of course.
Eh, fine girl. See how she.
What a funny guy. I think I would love to meet him again.
Hi.
Hello.
Wow, I wasn't expecting you when you were coming.
What is it you're hiding? Bring it out.
Oh.
I saw it.
Thing is, it's Gary. It's Gary.
Do you need to hide it? Go get me a spoon so we drink together.
You said?
Bring spoon. So we drink together.
Oh, you drink Gary too?
Of course. Why not?
Oh. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let me get a spoon.
All right.
Wow. Okay, in that case, let me bring others out there. That will soak it well. Wow. Drink Gary.
Fiona. Fiona is actually an amazing and wonderful personality. Otherwise, I mean, how do you explain a pretty girl in her caliber turning down such an amount of money in this economic situation of the country? Nah, I think I like her. In fact, it's safe to say I love her with everything in me. Fiona, You're my kind of woman. And I will do everything within marriage to make sure you're mine. Must be the mother of my children. Fiona, I'm coming wherever you are. I won't let you go.
So I saw you with a ladder the other day. What are you doing with it?
Ladder.
Yes, ladder.
Ladder.
Don't lie to me. Okay, let's do it this way. Would you prefer to lie to me? And then I'll walk away. Or say the truth. And we'll become friends. Real friends.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth.
Go ahead.
I went to fix. My neighbor that they cut their lights. I went to fix the wire for them. I'm an electrician.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I do for a living.
Electrician?
Yes.
Nice. So why is it difficult for you to say? I mean, it's what puts food on your table, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. That's what.
So you should be proud of what you do. Yes, there was no need hiding it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, really. There was no need hiding it.
Hi, sweetie.
Let me call you back.
How you doing?
I thought I've warned you to stop coming to my office without my consent.
Yes, you did. But I'm no longer going to abide by that. Because I don't want all these desperate girls to snatch you away from me. So, I'm here. Are you happy to see me?
Listen, we had an agreement and we must stick to that effect. Do you understand me?
No, I don't.
Are you in any way telling me that you now dictate what I do? So you're directing my life now? What?
No.
Are you my mother? Or do I look like your son now? Stick to what we agreed. Do you understand?
No, I don't. I don't.
The nerves, the impetus. You know what? I'm done. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with everything that has to do with you. Whatever. Let me warn you. If I see you again around my office, around my house, even 50 yards away from my house, you know what I will do? I bet you don't like these tiny legs anymore. I will knock you down. Hey! Not your baby. It's Papi. A detective for Papi. Huh? Talking money, you're talking baby. Atagi, pono so katonyo so. Not your wholesale. Ige boom Papi wholesale. Ige boom Papi wholesale.
Babe. What is wrong with him? Did he just walk out on me?
You are an honest man. I like the fact that you said the truth.
Thank you. And I love the fact that you're real too.
So, you speak good English. Did you go to school?
Yeah, of course. I'm a graduate. Studied electrical engineering. Second class helper.
Beautiful. Seriously?
Yeah.
So why are you not working?
Of course, the country, if you don't have connection, then you don't have a job. I've been seeking for a job, but nothing. So I just had to, resort to electrical job. Any job to get money instead of staying idle.
Right. I understand.
Yeah.
Fiona.
So tell me, what's your vision?
My vision would be, I have a lot actually, but this is really the first. It would be the first day once I have the money to establish that. I want to have a big electronic shop. I want to sell electronics, have partnership with big companies like Samsung, LG, and so on and so forth. Sell in wholesale, retail, and so on. Then again, I'll have a place where you can fix your sports, electronics, phones, TVs, and so on and so forth. Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, it's a big vision. A very big one.
Very big one. Very big one.
At this point, I want to know more about you.
Well, you already know my name. You know what I studied. Family-wise, I am the first son. I have just one brother. And then my father and my mother. They stay in the village where I come from. I come from the east. Somewhere in the east. And that's it. That's it basically for me.
Thank you.
And you?
Well, nothing serious. Nothing much about me. I'm the only child. My parents stays in the village. And my auntie stays here in the city. Maybe one of these days you'll get to meet her.
Sure. I would love to meet her.
All right, I should be on my way. I was just bored at home and I decided to come look for you.
Oh, you didn't go to work?
No, I didn't.
Why?
I resigned.
Resigned? Why?
My boss.
Okay.
I don't think it's necessary to tell you.
Of course it is. What about your boss?
He was frustrating me. He tried to take advantage of me to the point of offering me 500,000 to sleep with me. But I turned him down, of course. He was getting on my nerves and I decided to quit.
Turned down 500,000.
Yes, I did. Why are you asking me that? Am I supposed to have collected it?
No, I didn't say that. I'm just impressed. Okay. Well, I am impressed beyond words. Yeah. I mean, the society we are in today is rare to see a pretty girl like you turn down 500,000, all because of a pleasure that won't last more than 10 minutes. You know, that was nice. Shows your dignity is intact. You hold yourself to high esteem. And that's...
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think it's a big deal. What are you trying to say? Should I have accepted it?
No, of course you shouldn't. Of course you shouldn't have. It shows that you respect yourself. You know where you're headed. You know your vision. You know that as a woman you shouldn't be that way. You should. I like that. And of course it's stupid. I mean, I feel like giving him a punch for...
No, Joey, no need for that.
Of course there's need for that because... Anyway, he lost. He lost a good woman.
You think so?
I know so.
What are you doing here?
I came to apologize for my wrong approach. I'm truly sorry.
Thank you. Apology accepted. Can you leave now?
That sounds like you're still angry with Papi.
No, I'm not angry with you. I just want to be left alone.
All right. I will let you be, but please take back the money.
I don't need it.
Fiona, you need some money. I mean, I insist.
Listen, if I must take this money, then it will be for Dash. I mean, for free, because I will not be able to pay you back in kind.
It's actually for Dash. Please, go ahead.
Are you sure?
100.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. I will call you in the evening.
Right.
How far? It's cool. How far now?
Good.
How you doing?
I did.
So what you doing like this is up?
I just did, oh my God.
How far? How you and this Fiona matter they be? Give me the latest.
The latest we say we just the you know.
Some way they cover song. Play me full package, give me full gist.
See WAHALA. Fuji's never did now. When Fuji's ever legal, no, but so far so good.
Wait, hope this always happen and not be a case of the more you look, the less you see.
Based on...
No, just the... Make it not be say the girl they play you straight to.
No, I don't think so. I get they too straightforward and too real. With that kind of person.
You know this because say you don't deal with them forever.
No, like me, I'm a sharp guy now with the way things they go. I don't think she is, but you know, say person know they know everything. But with wetin I don't know about her, I get too real. She's too pure to be that kind of person. You get?
I love you, don't they fall in love, Abi? No.
No, na me sef no dey dey open to her, and she dey tell me make I try dey open. Now dey tell her things as e be.
Francis.
Come for here, abeg.
Francis.
This guy.
I wish you luck, sha.
Thank you. Abeg cook beans na me go chop.
That beans go kill you. Make I go cook beans for you, Abi. That beans then go kill you.
Shey don reach your turn now, I don dey get sense.
Where Gary? Oh, drink now. What do you get? Now what do you get?
I don't finish the Gary.
Is it?
Me and she drink Gary sef.
She drink Gary with you?
Wallahi. Drink Gary with me.
Wow. I go love you. Sometimes let's get what I get. You tell me, say, man, I go buy him.
Mr. Biggs.
Mr. Biggs.
I make you dey broke now.
So me broke.
Eh?
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Hi dear, how was your day today?
It was good. And yours?
Great. Just that it was stressful.
Sorry about that, sir. Some days are like that.
You're right. I don't know if you're free, so I could come pick you up for a breakfast.
No, sir. I don't think it will be possible because I'm already in bed.
So what about tomorrow?
I don't know how my tomorrow will be because I have an interview.
All I asked was for a moment to discuss with you.
I will give you a call tomorrow.
I would appreciate that. Thank you.
Alright, sir. Thank you. Bye. Who is there?
It's me, ma.
Come in. What is it?
Good morning, ma.
Morning.
There is a man at the gate looking for you, ma.
A man. What's his name?
You not tell me, ma.
Alright. Tell him I'll be with him in a jiffy.
Okay, ma.
So, tell me, how did you find me here?
It's a long story.
Baby.
Yeah.
Well, you're the last person I expected to see this morning. Well, I'm glad you're here.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'm also glad that you let me in.
You're welcome. So, what brought you here?
I've been hoping that one day I will be your best friend. I mean, that has been my greatest desire. But I wouldn't it's for you. Actually ask for that without giving you a rose. That's for you.
Me?
Yeah. You deserve even more. You like it?
Yes, I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Assuming I say yes to your request. How will you take care of me?
Well, I will do my best to make you happy. Yeah, everything within my power to always leave a smile on your face just the way you're doing right now. I assume that's a yes. Yeah.
You know you're funny, right?
Am I?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Thank you for this.
Beautiful.
My love is for you, baby. Nothing can draw me back from loving you, baby. Baby, my heart belongs to you. I can't do without you. I strongly believe that me and you.
Oh goodness. Is this for real? I can't believe this. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? If it's a dream, I don't ever want to wake up. What in God's name is this? Can you just leave me alone? Nonsense. Always trying to ruin my mood.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have
Did
dialed
she
is not
switch
reachable.
off? Wait, no, I don't want to believe she did. This is unlike her. This is unlike Fiona not picking call. Pick up, Fiona, pick up. What's going on? After 10 missed calls, she's still not picking her calls. Is Fiona okay?
Dear customer.
No. I think I need to go look for Fiona.
Matthew, listen. From today henceforth, do not let anyone into this compound without my notice.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Except Francis, the light-skinned one that just left here.
Okay, Francis. I know him.
If you do it, I will fire you.
Fire? I will not try it.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Go back to your duty.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so... My guy, how far now? That guy.
This your smile this afternoon. What did they cause him?
I don't understand. Make I not happy again.
Bless that waka go away.
Oh my God. You know the story now.
Bad guy. You don't finally get babe.
I swear now. And you don't get.
I get one. That guy they sell beans for Junction.
Nice one, Sha.
So far, I go be now. Now we don't get babe. What's the next?
Shank, what's the next? Now you dey ask me what's the next.
When you go shine Congo, when you go.
Like say you know where. Come on for everything that we have about shining Congo. This guy too corrupt.
Not gonna like this man, that person help you to shine your Congo.
I don't do. Go give me beans, my chop. You don't do.
Man, go carry beans for yourself. You keep person for us to help you chop beans, cook beans, abi.
Every time they do like say you too get sense.
Like go cook beans inside kitchen.
Now brown beans or white beans you cook?
Now oil beans.
Cause that white beans they purge me. Oh.
This one will kill you.
Because I get girlfriend. That's say they beef me. Oh.
I beef you. Drink poison. Like go cook beans inside kitchen.
Now brown beans or white beans you cook?
Now oil beans.
Cause that white beans they purge me. Oh.
This one will kill you.
Because I get girlfriend. That's say they beef me. Oh.
I beef you. Drink poison.
Open the gate. Why are you looking at me like that? Like you don't recognize me? Open gate. Open gate. I want to drive in. Driving? Why are you looking at me like you don't recognize me? Open the gate. I want to come inside.
Afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I want to drive inside.
Is my mother aware say you are coming?
No, actually, I was calling her phone. It was not connecting, so I suppose maybe she's down. I need to check on her.
Thank you, sir.
I want to come inside. Did she instruct you not to open the gate?
Yes, sir. With time, you will understand, sir.
I will understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Open. I'll dash you money. I'll dash you 10,000. Just open.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Open the gate. I want to go inside.
Open gate? No, sir. You want my madam sack me?
Nah, nekwa no onyala. Open gate. I want to go inside. Fiona, did you actually engineer this?
I swear, Richard. Of course I won't take it. Nah, I've invested a lot of time, energy and money in this girl. So, leaving her now will mean, she has defeated me. You already know #1 player. Come on. You of all people wouldn't ask me this. I will play full along till I get what I want. When once I hit the bar, pew, I litter her like I did to others. Yeah. Trust your guy. Come on, man. Anyway, got a couple of fights, so I think to hope you're good, bro. Alright, see you soon, man. Papi will see you soon, so we'll go do our bowling thing in the evening. Don't play, don't sleep on me, bro. See you, bro. See you. Alright, cheers, man.
If na wetin we go fit do 300, I pay 350.
No, it's not like that what they do now. Not like that what they do.
I know. Now make her say make you just talk to her. Yeah. Maybe today I don't need borrow money from Mona now. Yeah?
I know. But if you had like 100k to that money, I know say she go give you. She go give you.
100k why I go seek for where? If I get 100k, why they tell you to? I don't get now. Make me leave this in 350.
I want to if you do.
Hello.
Hello.
Just trying to
Welcome.
My girlfriend.
See how she fine.
Thank you.
She fine
Thank you.
Sha, when you dey ready, you know where I dish.
So I'm not going to do 350 for
No,
me.
no, they do not like that. You know, it's not my fault. They told me instruction.
Whatever it is I've done wrong for you not to be taking my calls, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Oh, Miriam. Don't you think it's too early to do this nonsense? Does it mean you don't have any work to do?
Oh, Papi, that's so harsh. You're hurting me with your words.
I can talk to you any way I choose because you have choose to be stupid and senseless at the same time.
Papi, me, you called me stupid.
That's exactly what you are.
Papi, that's not fair. It's not fair. You're hurting me.
Has life been fair? Hurting you? You know what? Sometimes I feel like they should make a play card. Write it, I am stupid, I am senseless. Put it on your forehead so you carry it around. So when people see it, they see who you really are.
Papi, that's not fair. That's not fair. You're treating me like a piece of trash.
But that's what you are. You know what? I will stop. I will stop. But I think I've had it up to... Oh. We are done. We are done.
You can't be done.
I was the one that said I want. But now I said I don't want anymore. If you don't leave here this minute, I'm going to get my secret. Should I call?
No.
Should I call?
Okay,
Should I call my secret?
Don't. I'll leave. Papi,
Don't touch me. You want to give me bad luck? Come on, stop it. Get out!
Please don't do that, please.
Now respect your stupid self.
Papi, but I love you.
Get out! Let me answer call. Come on, that's some love.
I really do love you. I please just give us a chance.
Love, give a gun. Love, give. How much is your love?
Just give us a chance.
Get out. Talking money, you are talking. Papi love. Talking money, you're talking about papi love. Oh, what nonsense. C21.
I see you do daily contribution.
Yes. It's a way of saving money.
Nice.
Thank you.
So how much do you contribute today?
4,000. Some days 4-5. But 4,000 mostly.
4,000 daily. Beautiful. I mean, 4,000 naira multiplied by 30 days. In a month. It's around 120,000.
Yes, that's 120.
Nice.
That's a target. By the way, you're really smart. You got that very fast.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I overheard you ask her to lend you some money.
Yes. They do borrow money as well, but the interest is just what you heard us battling on. Why would I pay 100,000? That's a lot. So
What do you need the money for?
Traveling. I want to leave the country. There's this opening a friend told me about, and he's really working for my profession, like electrical engineering, because that's what I studied. So there's a slot for engineers with a good pay. So 3 of my friends have traveled already.
Okay.
So I've commenced with the process. It's just to finalize and then run around for flight ticket again. It's just not easy, but I can't go this far to fail. I've started already.
That's a good one. I mean, a good vision you have for yourself.
Thank you. Everybody, Jaka is the medicine because this country is just going left.
So how much do you need?
300,000 for the stage now. 300,000. But I'm supposed to. If they had borrowed me, I'll pay back 350. But you're saying 400,000. That's over 100,000. That's a lot.
All right. I'm famished. You have something to give me? I'm hungry.
Wahala, we are panto.
You don't need anything else?
No, but I can just run around and get noodles and prepare noodles for you. Quick one, I'll be fast.
Don't worry about it. I will just go home and make something for myself.
Yourself. So me that is hungry, I don't mind to follow you.
Of course you can.
Oh wow.
Okay. Sure.
It's your turn.
No, it's for you.
No, babe, it's for you. Madam, it's food.
Baby, don't worry.
No, it's your turn. I'm going to feed you. Eat. I can't be eating alone, you know.
Okay, if you insist.
Yes, I insist. So now it's my turn.
Babe, give me a sec. Maybe give me a sec. I'll be right there.
Oh, okay. I'm waiting.
Okay.
Why do I feel like you're trying to run away?
Okay. Baby, please can I have your details? Your account details. Your
What?
account details.
What for?
You ask so many questions. Just give it to me. Don't worry, I'll tell you afterwards. Call it.
Okay. 0065.
Alright. Okay.
99.
99.
89.
89.
No, yeah. Sorry, I don't have it offhand.
You're thinking about it.
Okay, 65.
Alright. What bank?
Galaxy Bank.
Okay.
Well, what are you?
Don't worry about it, baby. I just transferred 350,000 naira into your account. So you add it to what you already have.
Jesus Christ.
What? Yes, you wanted to take a loan from the Akawa woman. I have up to what you need. Why not? Right. So, I didn't want to let you do that since I have
no idea what you have done for me. I'm forever grateful.
You're welcome.
Babe, not just welcome, look. Thank you.
I'll do anything for you.
You didn't just say that.
I did.
Girl, what has come over you?
Love. Love has come over me.
Love? Which kind of love? Huh. I'm not seeing that as love. Oh. The only thing I'm seeing here is stupidity.
Well, that's your own definition. Because I see nothing wrong with what I did.
Fiona.
Yes.
Are you okay? giving such a huge amount of money to a guy you just met. Like a guy you just met.
Well, he needed the money to sort out some things, and I had the money. I had to give him.
You needed the money to sort out some things, and I had the money I had to give him. Like, can you listen to yourself? You're giving him as what? His father? I mean his mother? Okay, wait, let me ask you. What if it's a scam?
So be it. And now you need to calm down, relax. I don't know why you're so pained. You're worrying too much, okay? I know what I'm doing, so calm down.
Love, don't carry this one go. Hey.
You don't carry me go where I don't know.
You have said so many things, Jen, and I cannot lay my hands on you. Can you please do that so that I'll understand exactly what you're talking about?
JP said it's over between us. I don't know. I can't think of anything I did wrong.
You try to find out why he said it's over between us.
Yes, I did. And he refuses to say anything. Apart from the fact that I went to his office unannounced. Who breaks up with his girlfriend for that reason?
So what do you want?
Richard, you're his friend. And I know he listens to you. Please make him understand that I love him. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Alright. Bye.
I have faith in you.
My guy. So finally, your traveling abroad has come to reality.
Brother, you know the story. You know, as I don't hustle this thing, I don't hustle and pray, do everything to stay. Brother, you know the gist now. You know everything. You know how I hustle for this thing.
Yeah.
You know.
So
that's how you carry job. Yeah. Now wow. So bring jog. Maybe don't say you won't really. Go cheers. No go jam glass so now like this. You gonna get used to. You gonna get used.
You see this job where you talk. I beg, give me that job first. Now you the traveler, but give me that job.
What's it?
Use the one where I brought people to use now.
Now this I brought you people.
The one you call the complaints I bring jog.
Now this one be jog now.
Okay, that's not be jog. You don't be drum.
Now beer glass with this now. You don't know. You don't even know. This is all glass now. You know, so they get beer glass, get wine glass, get whiskey glass. You don't know.
The time when me and you they do wire up and down, you don't know say.
Sure, don't break them all.
Alright. My own now. As you they go so, not forget this girl Fiona.
Forget Bao. No, don't forget. Ha. You funny.
This talk we just talk. Now promise you don't make to her, but you just tell me.
Yes, no.
You made it to her.
She there aware now.
Because man, that girl deserves all the best too. For a girl to have sacrificed that much for man, man, she deserves the very best. Not disappointed. If not, me said go join her and swear for you.
With you, I think nothing but love. No matter what happens.
Why's her number not going through?
No matter what happens.
It's not like her.
I will always be by your side, baby. I have faith in you. My love is for you, baby. Nothing can draw me back from loving you, baby. Baby, my heart belongs to you. I can't do without you.
Editor, insert doorbell. Ding dong. That will bring this woman. Action.
I have faith.
You must be Francis.
Oh, yes, and you are...
Edna.
Edna, yeah. She said a lot about you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, is she in?
No. Didn't you call her?
No, I tried calling, but her line is switched off.
Yeah. Her phone fell inside water. So she went to fix it. But she'll soon be back. Why not wait for her?
That would have been nice, but I have somewhere to be right now. Maybe I'll come back later. I'll just tell her that I stopped by.
Okay, sure. I will.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Eyes are burning because I can't see you, my love. My hands are empty because I can't hold you.
Babe, what's up?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Did you see him?
See who?
Francis, he was there. He just left, so I was even thinking you guys will meet downstairs.
I didn't see him.
Oh, really?
But that's okay. I'll look for you and call him later in the night.
Oh, okay. So, were you able to fix your phone?
No.
Oh.
It's still there. They asked me to come back.
Okay.
I'm so exhausted.
I know.
Edna, please, can I put my SIM in your phone?
Sure. Well, where are you talking?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, let me help you.
Wow, how did it happen?
It fell off from my hand.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. I have taken it to where they will fix it.
Okay. Alright. So I stopped by before to tell you about my visa. It's granted.
Are you serious? No way. This is the best news of the day.
Thank you.
Okay. So how was your day?
My day was just there. Bless God. The good news was really unexpected. I've been looking for you to share with you.
Don't worry. First thing tomorrow morning, I will be at your place.
Okay, that would be nice. Alright. I'll be waiting for you.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you more.
I just feel like staying back. But then I need to go and hustle for us.
You have to go. Very important.
I promise I won't stay long. I'm going to come back before you know it. And we're going to get married. God is going to bless us with wealth. I promise.
Making me your wife will be the happiest thing of my life. I can't wait.
I love you.
I love you too. I will stay faithful till you return.
I promise.
I promise.
I promise to stay faithful. And I promise to be back before you know it. You.
I will miss you more.
It's good, so I don't miss my flight. Don't worry.
Thank you. Come, let's go. Who is it? Edna, you're here. How are you?
I'm fine. Babe, what's up?
I'm good.
Baby girl, I'm just coming back from your mini mat. You're doing so well for yourself. I'm super proud of you.
Well, I have no choice than to do well.
Yeah, true.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you are going to accompany me to somewhere.
Where?
Somewhere.
Which one be somewhere? The place no get name.
Madam, you're always in a hurry. I will tell you. Relax. Can you calm down?
This girl, you know say I don't trust you. I mean, you want to go sell me? Talk true.
I'll tell you I'm calling money. Hey. I will just tell you I'm calling my money.
See you.
Sharp, sharp.
How much you want to go sell me for? The money not even there. You know, reach anything.
You know I was kidding.
Yeah. I know.
So are you going with me or not?
I'm going now. I get option. You are kidding me?
You can see it. This is the land.
Okay, is this up to this place?
No, the transformer is from. But it's from here to that gate that we came out from.
Okay. Okay.
It's very massive.
Okay.
Massive.
I think it's quite spacious.
Yeah.
I like it. I will take it.
Okay.
So how much is it?
32 million.
Okay, so what will you give me last? Eh?
Originally it's 39 million. But because of the distress and all that, we later, put it on 30. So just 30 million.
It's okay. All right, I will just do the transfer.
Okay.
What's the account number?
30823.
Okay.
29368 364.
What bank?
First Bank.
John KEKE.
Yes.
Here.
Okay.
It's done.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm buying in the name of Francis Okafor.
Okay, no problem. Let your lawyer prepare the deed and we'll sign and that will be it.
All right.
Yeah.
No problem. Can I have the papers?
Of course.
I hope they are complete.
Very, very. We do genuine business.
I do not want trouble.
No.
So
We
please.
do genuine business.
I'm sure there's no mistake at all. All right, I'll keep in touch.
Okay, it's all right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's nice doing business with you.
Same here. Thank
Okay.
you.
Go!
Yay!
Go!
Oh my goodness.
I am so happy.
I know. I got this life for him. He's going to love that place.
Yeah,
I know.
he will.
Right?
Because it's very spacious and the location. It's very nice.
I cannot wait for him to come back. And see it.
But babe, you're really a nice person.
How do you mean?
Other girls will be busy buying clothes, shoes, hairs. But you're here, buying property upon property for Francis. Just last week, you bought 2 tenant houses for him. You're trying, no? Your type is rare.
Edna, what are you saying? Francis and I have come a long way. I cannot deceive him. Besides, duping people is not in my blood.
You don't need to tell me. I know.
Okay, so...
You tried.
I can't wait to meet the lawyer so that he would do the deed and everything will be set.
You cannot calm down.
You know, I am really tired.
Yeah.
I mean,
You should be.
I need to freshen up.
Okay.
My conscience can never fail me.
It's not like that. Anything for you, my love. Yes. The seller made a distress sale. That was why I got it at that rate. The actual price for a plot of land in that area is around 39 million. Yes, I'm telling you. It's okay. Well, I've been good. Just that I miss you every single day.
Confidence, life becomes easier for you. I'm gonna hold on to my faith. Jesus, you'll be me again. Believing one day this will turn us to my favorite.
Babe. You're back so soon. What's up?
So that useless jump puppy that wants to ruin my mood.
What did you do?
Can you imagine? He came with his useless friends to propose marriage to me.
What?
You have said it now.
Is he joking? Well, what did you do?
I turned him down, of course.
Perfect. I like that. That devil incarnate. Very bad man.
Honestly. I mean, that man is not the kind of man I want to spend the rest of my life with. I don't know what came into his head to come propose to me. He's too short-tempered and I can't deal with.
There you go. God forbid. Maybe just carrying WAHALA they go.
I swear. It's just so much. It's frustrating because
Welcome.
So frustrating.
Though? Have you eaten? Babe. What's up? Have you been able to establish contact with Francis?
Not yet.
I just pray he's fine.
I pray so too. John Papi has been calling and testing.
You already said no to him. So what else does he want?
He said he wants to go on a date with me and then have a discussion.
You're not going anywhere.
I will. But you will go with me.
Papi, at this point, I can conclude that you have ulterior motive towards my friend. And whatever it is you have in mind, please don't carry it out. It will backfire.
Allow me to worry about that. Edna, are you a witch?
Oh, no. Let me down.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Let me go.
It's okay, baby. Don't mind her. Find your way home. Oh, my phone. My phone.
Come on. Let's go, come. Easy. Hold me. Yeah. It's not come. Sorry. Let's go.
Shit! Where's this girl? Fiona! Oh my goodness! How did she do that? This girl is a witch!
What exactly happened last night?
He got you drunk and wanted to take you to his house.
What?
Yes. Thank God I intervened. Because only God in heaven knows what that man would have done to you if he had succeeded in taking you to his house.
I have always known John Papi to be a man whose ways are full of ulterior motives. How could he do a thing like that?
I don't know. But let's thank God he didn't succeed.
Edna, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, my darling. But the next time you're going out with a guy, or guys you don't trust, don't drink to the extent of getting tipsy. You know we are in a wicked world. Anything can happen.
Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome. It's fine.
Edna, I've been meaning to discuss something with you. Just that I was waiting for it to mature.
What could that be?
I want to travel out of the country.
I get it. You want to travel to Norway to look for Francis?
No, not that. I'm traveling to Canada. I applied for Canada visa and they just granted it.
Wow! And you didn't care to let me know?
Edna, it's not like that. I didn't know it was going to work out. I'm sorry.
It's okay. There's nothing to be sorry about. I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so have you heard from Francis? Anything yet?
No. I haven't heard anything. It's making me so worried. I don't even know what to think anymore.
Oh, wow. This is serious, so. Oh, what could be the problem?
I can't see. I don't just know.
How?
I don't know. I'm really confused. I don't know what to think anymore.
It's fine. Everything will be fine. Hello? Who is this? Who? Francis. You're alive. Huh. I thought you're dead. Oh my goodness. Thank God you're alive. Fiona, she's dead though. Yes, you know, when you traveled, many things happened. She started flirting, and in between she got pregnant. And she tried to get rid of the pregnancy. And in the process, she died. That was what happened though. Very terrible, I'm telling you. Wow, you're coming back? In 2 weeks? That's so nice. Okay. We'll be expecting you. All right. Take care. Bye. Okay.
Is that doorbell?
Yes, who's that? I'm coming. Hey, brother. Welcome.
Francis! Wow! You're looking so...
Thank you. How you doing?
Welcome.
Yeah.
Look how fresh you're looking.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, which room am I staying?
You stay this one. Hi, you're here. I made something nice for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
So, how about yours?
No, I'm okay. I made this specially for you. So
Oh.
eat to your satisfaction.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Let's eat it. Taste it.
Yeah.
Amen.
Yes, that reminds me. I have been meaning to ask. Since I came back, I have not seen Laura's stuffs like her clothes and boxes and her belongings. I haven't really seen any of that.
Yeah, you know, her family members, they carry their stuffs. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Just eat your food first. Eat.
You know, it's not really easy. This whole place reminds me so much. I mean, I can remember we sitting on the dining eating. So much about her that it won't be easy for me to forget.
I know. It's not easy for me too, but you know, we have to move on now. She's gone. She's gone, so just taste the food. Taste. How is it?
I think nothing but love. No matter what happens, I will stand.
It's nice.
Yeah, I know. I'm a good cook. It's okay. Just cheer up. I'm here for you. Remember the incident that led to her death? She wasn't even faithful. Just cheer up. Anything you want, anything at all. I just want you to be happy. Just eat. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Forever. Nothing can draw me back, your baby, oh my lover. Baby, my heart belongs to you. I can't.
What do you think you're doing, brother?
If everything can fail me in
What do you mean?
Edna is Fiona's best friend and she's already pregnant for you.
never fail me. My conscience can never
Well,
fail me. My heart, you
Fiona is dead.
never fail me. I'm gonna hold on to my faith.
Very sad. But I really, what happened wasn't expected, but I just had to carry on. You know, I have no choice.
Even if Fiona is dead, you shouldn't be her best friend.
Well, everyone has their lives to live. I have my life to live, and so has you. So just let it go.
This is not fair, brother. And her spirit will not forgive you.
Just go. We're done with this discussion.
Before it is too late, I want you to have a rethink.
Believing one day my dreams will come true. I know it's not easy, but with God all things are possible. If everything can fail me in this life, my heart, my conscience can never fail me.
Editor, is that doorbell that will bring the man out. Action!
Betrayed me. Why?
I don't know what to think anymore. A lot happened. You know, I don't know if I'm to start with the parts where you cheated, had an abortion, and died, because that was what I was told.
What?
I was told that you had an abortion. Video clips were sent to me at the early stage of the abortion process while you were throwing up. I still have it on my phone. And along the line, you gave up ghost. You were rushed to the hospital. died. Now, I was really sad that I mourned you for months. But I was down because you gave me the impression that it was just me and me alone, that we had a whole lot to achieve, which I was working so hard to make sure we achieved that. Even the lawyer Kingsley, that did most of the land deeds, and I contacted him as well. And he said, yeah, there's a pity that we lost you.
The lawyer said that I am dead?
Yeah. So I'm just thinking in between, what really happened? I'm confused. Now, when I came back, I went to your auntie's place. The house you took me to, that's where your auntie stays, because I really don't know your village where you come from. I went there and I met no one. They said your auntie moved out. He moved out after she couldn't take your demise. So,
Kingsley,
it's been a lot. Here's the video. Let me show you. This is it.
What? My goodness, this was a video of when I had food poisoning. How can someone tell you something like this and you believed it?
Because you were coughing out something that looks like blood.
Francis, why?
Look, you don't have to blame me. I was told that.
You were told and you bought it. Of all the girls in this world, why my friend? My best friend? How could you? You left the country, and when the communication ceased, I didn't know what else to do. There was no way I could reach you. I decided to leave the country and see what I can do for myself. That was it. And someone told you.
Well, this whole thing happened because we lost communication as well. You couldn't reach me, I couldn't reach you. And the only person I speak with was your friend, which told me everything. It's a pity she played us, and I fell for it.
She did, but you know me more than this. You know me more than I know myself. Is that how low you think of me? I had an abortion? How?
She played us.
How? Hey, my love. You're here, eating. I hope you're enjoying your food. Because I know she's a very good cook. But what I did not know about her is the fact that she is a man snatcher.
Fiona, what is it? Must you interrupt everything we are doing?
What is what? This is my house and I have every right to do what I want.
But I'm here now. And I'm carrying his child.
That's your business. Need I remind you that the fact that you're still here is because of the human rights interference. Once you're done, once you're put to bed, I will kick you out.
Can wait till I put to bed.
Can you just give her the food? Or you can just...
Hi, love. Open your mouth. Thank you, baby. That's more like it.
You're really getting on my nerves.
What can you do? You baited in a wrong stream, so you don't have a choice.
What goes around comes around. What goes around comes around. Yeah. What goes around?
Come here. I love you.
This is wrong.
She wants to be here, so she has to serve me food.
Unfriendly friends, betrayers. You better watch your back.
That this is my house.
Look, no one is disputing the fact that you own it. I mean, it used to be our house. But you know, I'm thinking with everything that has happened so far, which I'm not proud of. But at this point, I really don't know what to do. I came up with something I think will be, you know, fair enough. Like, maybe paying you off or establishing one of my properties so you can stay there. I wouldn't mind to pay double.
You just sounded very selfish. Why would you even say a thing like that? Really? You want to pay me off? Francis, you.
Maybe I'm wrong, but I just...
Listen, that's enough. I don't have time for all of these things you're saying. Where is Simon?
He's inside.
This your enjoyment today, 'cause you have crafted and made your ways out. Think about tomorrow.
Okay?
Yes. Yeah, I'm okay.
But it doesn't look like you're okay.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Why are you panting?
I'm okay.
Okay, so where are you headed?
I want to see a friend in town. Yeah, a friend.
His door is locked.
I don't know, he's inside. Maybe he went out or so.
What goes around comes around.
You said you want to see a friend?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll soon be back.
No, I'm just thinking, why don't I drop you off?
Simon, look here. I've been calling out to you now. Simon! Simon, you okay? Simon!
I can't allow you go out there alone. Remember your condition. Let me just get a car here.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. But just, I don't think so. I'm going to open. He's lying lifeless on the floor. I just peeped from his window. I've been trying to open his door, but he's not responding. I don't think everything is fine with him.
Simon?
Yes. Please, come finish. We need to talk. I don't think he's well. Ask her. Huh? Ingrid. I knew she was up to something all along. Have you wondered why she asked for the car keys? Have you?
Maybe because she wants to go out.
Well, that's because she wants to run away with the car and our property documents.
Really?
Give me a minute.
Edna, is that true?
This is the house documents. She wants to bring you down to square one. Newsflash, girl. This is the fake document. You think you're smart? You think you're smart, right?
Edna. Edna!
You remember I'm carrying your...
Shut up! Shut up! Really? Oh my goodness.
It's all over for you.
Freeze. Editor, remember to put doorbell to bring in the police. Action.
It's all over for you.
Are you expecting anyone?
Yes, please.
The door is locked.
Oh. I locked the door. I told you. I gave you the wrong stream.
Call it, please.
Officers, you're right on time.
I'm Sergeant Goodluck, and you are under arrest. Anything you say or do here will be used against you as an evidence in the court of law. Arrest her.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm pregnant.
You are under arrest. Move it.
I'm not going anywhere.
Move! You are
Get
under
out!
arrest. Let's go.
Madam,
you're under arrest. You are under arrest.
Move!
I'm carrying your child.
Move.
Doctor, please. You think it's something...
You'll be fine.
You sure will be fine. You don't need us to bring him to the hospital today?
You'll be fine. No. You'll be fine. There's nothing we can do about it. You'll be fine.
Alright, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for the sweet.